Hello everyone, I'm Ashwat Chaudhary. I'm managing Skoda Trinity Skoda Bhubaneswar right now. I'm here to present you the brand new Skoda Kodiaq that we just recently launched. It's basically a CB unit coming in India. We are having CKD. It's a total international car with German features, with German safety. And the best part is that this car is top-notch among the luxury right now. And from the previous generation, we have updated the car a lot. It's having 360-degree camera. The ADAS feature will be coming very soon. We are still looking for it. It's still not there. The prices, plus the engine, yes. The main engine, the Kodiaq, for last 2 decades, it was using the same engine, but we have changed the engine this time. It's a 2-liter petrol engine with 204 horsepower and 320 Newton meter of torque. Starting price, the car starts from 38.79 lakh rupees. नहीं कितना था? अरे मैं उल्टा पुराने वाले को बोल दिया. The pricing of the car is 48.69 lakh rupees for the LNK model. We have 2 models. One is Sportline, that is 2 lakh lesser than the LNK variant, and we have one model that is Laurent Clement, that's the top end variant. That's what we are having right now. We are offering, basically it's the car that we have upgraded. Engine is upgraded. It's a 4x4 car. We have added a lot of features. The main feature of the car is basically, we were missing a lot of, in newer cars, we are actually missing the feel of buttons. So we have basically tend to put some buttons in the car. You can click on the button, you can change the drive type, you can change the types, what you want to do with the car. And basically the best part of the car is you have beautiful massage seats with 18 functions in the car. Ambient lighting is there in the car, that was actually missing in the older variant. Actually, we are having reviews, we have given test drives to the customer, and they are having a very good opportunity. They are liking the car. They are actually enjoying the car. The new car drives really well from the previous generation now. Basically, Skoda को बोला जाता है it's a valuable luxury car. अभी इसी segment की अगर मैं गाड़ी में जाऊँगा, let's go for Q3 X1 with the same segment. अब 70 लाख रुपये spend करने से अच्छा you spend on a lesser amount. On road the car comes around 56 lakhs. So उस amount में आपको वही सारे features मिल रहे हैं and you are driving a better car. Plus the service maintenance cost is very less for the car. Skoda, we are having Kushaq, Slavia, Kodiaq. So our basic range is started from Kodiaq now. And we are having Kushaq, then Slavia, then the Kodiaq. We are also expecting the new Superb to be coming by October. Massage system front की seats में आता है, ventilation आता है, heated seats आता है. This is only petrol. We are serving only petrol engines. We are not into diesel engines right now. Skoda is trying to get diesel engine, but we are not very sure about it.